Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a pump in this Beko washing machine. This may not apply to all Bekos, but don't take my word for that. First things first, make sure the plug is removed from the wall behind. First thing we need to do is remove the pump cover. So press down on this tab and it should come away. This one's slightly broken. And you pull towards you and you've got two tabs at the bottom that locate to the locators at the bottom there. Your machine may not have this, but we have a tube with a bung on the end. Take the blue bung off the end. That will allow you to drain any water out of the sump on the machine. Got a baking tray here. As you can see, there might be quite a lot of water that comes out of it, so be prepared. Once you're happy it's there, empty, replace your bung before you lose it or forget it. You can move that out the way now, and I'll show you the next step. So now we need to remove that screw which holds the plinth on. Just a standard Phillips screw. Keep your screws safe so you don't lose them. So now there's a couple of tabs we need to find and prise away. There's usually one around here, and one over this side. So get a flathead screwdriver and prise away like that. Usually one up here somewhere. And that should dislocate. Push the siphon tube through and put that to one side. Next thing we need to do is remove these three screws that hold the pump in. Same again, just a standard Phillips screw. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the machine out and tilt it back. Just rest it against your worktop if you've got one, or against a wall, whatever you have. So now what we're going to do is go and get our tray again and place that under where the pump is. We're now going to twist the pump to the left and pull away. Ready to disconnect any hoses. Take the filter out, get rid of any last water, because there will be some left in there. And I'll show you the next bit now. So now with a pair of pliers, get on the Jubilee clips, remove them like so. There's one for the waste and one for the sump. The wire for the pump has already come off. Be careful when you pull the pump away so that you don't break it. So if you're replacing the pump as a whole, this doesn't apply to you, but if you're replacing the pump motor, this will. Take note of where everything sits, how the pump sits, locating tabs. We've got locating tabs all the way around. I'll show you how to remove those now. So screwdriver in there, and you should be able to just twist and it pull away like so. It's a good idea at this point to clean the pump housing, as this will affect the seal from the new pump. So now what we're going to do is, after taking note of which way the pump came apart, we're going to line the pump and the pump housing up, and it should just twist into place, like so, making sure it is locked in. So next what we're going to do is refit the pipes and everything to the pump with your pliers. Can be a little bit tricky. Some of these hoses have little locators on, which locate to a little notch on the pump housing. So next we need to replace the waste hose onto the pump housing as well. Simply slide on and you should be able to get your Jubilee clip slid across. Easier said than done, believe me. Just like that. Next thing we need to do is replace the splash guard over the connector. Didn't show you this earlier on because it fell off as we were removing it. And then we've got the plug, which only goes on one way. Just pushes on like that. Now we're going to locate the pump onto the machine itself. 3 locators, push through and they twist to the right. And then you've got the siphon tube, pokes through that hole, sits there, and it will connect to the plinth when that goes on. So now we just need to replace the 3 screws to hold the pump in place. And then the plinth will locate with the siphon tube through the hole there. Got 3 locators at the bottom. You probably saw the 3 locators on the cabinet. Push at the top. It should click into place. Then you've got your pump cover and a screw to go in there. Siphon tube fits in like that. Pump cover like that. So now the machine's back in, we're just going to run a quick drain to make sure the pump works rather than putting any water in and find out it doesn't. Off we go. Now if you run a program, a rinse, a wash, and fill it up with water, then you can drain it out, and if it all seems okay, you can carry on and use the machine. Thanks for watching.